America just declared war on international justice, and almost no one is talking about it. On Monday, Secretary of State Marco Rubio launched a full-scale, whole-of-government campaign to dismantle the International Criminal Court. Not sanction it. Not criticize it. Dismantle it. The official justification? Sovereignty. But sovereignty from what? Accountability. The ICC has spent years pursuing war crimes cases that implicate powerful allies. Now Washington wants to strip its ability to investigate, prosecute, or even function. The EU has already called the threats unacceptable. Legal scholars are asking a darker question: can a global court survive when its most powerful non-member actively works to disable it? This isn't just a diplomatic spat. It's a test of whether international law applies to the powerful, or only the weak. The next 90 days could reshape global justice forever.